Good morning students. In this video we'll see degree of comparison. First of all we'll say adjective. Adjective states qualities of noun. For example, wide road. How is the road wide? Now degree. We can show degree to which one noun having a particular quality by comparing it with another noun which has the same quality. The road is wider than that road. दो नाउन है this road and that road और इनकी कंपैरिजन हो रही है कि वो कितने बड़े हैं। तो पहला वाला रोड दूसरे रोड से ज़्यादा बड़ा है, कंपैरिजन की जा रही है। तो डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन, दिस डिग्री फॉल्स अंडर थ्री कैटेगरी: पॉजिटिव डिग्री, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. But while changing it, we'll remember some of the adjectives in positive, comparative and in superlative form. Old, older, oldest. Big, bigger, biggest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Important, more important, most important. Well or good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Much, many, more, most. Late, latter, last. Lil, less, least. तो इसमें देखना है हमको कि अगर छोटा अल्फ़ाबेट है बिग के जैसा, तो लास्ट अल्फ़ाबेट जो है वो दो बार लिखना पड़ेगा. बिगर, बिगेस्ट में BIGGER. वाइज, इसमें ई लास्ट में है, तो अगर ई है तो सीधा आर और ST लगा दिया जाए. प्रिटी, इसमें वाई है लास्ट में, तो वाई यदि लास्ट में हो तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री करते वक्त वाई का आई करके फिर ER और EST लगाया जाए. इम्पॉर्टेंट, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा शब्द है तो इसे मोर लगा के मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. और नीचे के जो दिए हैं वेल, गुड का बेटर बेस्ट होता है, बैड वर्स वर्स्ट होता है, ये आपको याद करना होगा. नाउ हाउ डू यू रिमेंबर or how do you identify positive, comparative and superlative degree? So in positive degree, as structure is given along with adjective 1. See this example: Akola is as hot as Patur. In comparative degree, than is the word of recognition. Comparison between two things. Adjective 2 is given. Patur is not hotter. Hotter is adjective 2 than Akola. And in superlative degree, you will see the article the and adjective 3 is used. Akola is the hottest city. Hottest is the adjective 3. So in when two persons or two things are given, we'll change the degree, positive degree into comparative and comparative degree into positive degree. We'll remember these steps. Subject 1 goes at the end and subject 2, the two persons or two things are compared. So the second thing or second person will come at the beginning. And always positive degree turns into negative and negative turns into positive. See this example. Sakshi is as smart as Kshama. Here two persons are compared, Sakshi and Kshama. So we'll exchange the subjects and this is positive degree, so we'll turn it into comparative. Kshama is not smarter than Sakshi. As that structure is removed, positive sentence turn into negative. Ram reads better than Rohan. Rohan will come at the beginning. Rohan does not read as well as Ram. Comparative degree turns into positive. Now comparing with many persons or many things. In this case, superlative degree turns into positive degree and comparative. Means superlative degree, it is possible for us to change it in two forms, positive and comparative. So when we'll do positive, statement begins with no other or very few. As that structure will use and adjective 1. In comparative, insert than any other or many other and adjective 2 we will use. Sakshi is the tallest girl in the class. No other girl in the class is as tall as Sakshi. We have begin the sentence with no other. And in comparative will insert than any other. Sakshi is taller than any other girl in the class. Now when we are using very few and many other, when we are comparing Sakshi with some other girls and some other girls are tall as her. Sakshi is one of the tallest girls in the class. So here, like Sakshi, there are many girls. So very few girls in the class are as tall as Sakshi, and in comparative, Sakshi is taller than many other girls in the class. Now change the degree. Some sentences are given here. Adarsh is wiser than Adesh. This is comparative degree. Now I will change it into positive. I will change the subject. Adesh is not as wise as Adarsh. Second sentence, May June is the best time to visit Jammu and Kashmir. This is superlative degree. I will change it into two form, positive and comparative. No other time to visit Jammu and Kashmir is as good as May June. This is positive. And in comparative, May June is better than any other time to visit Jammu and Kashmir. So keep practicing, change the degree, and keep practicing many sentences so that you can be perfect in that. Watch few more videos of grammar. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.